Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Merly on Time Watch Reviews. My name is Chris and I unbox and review budget watches, and today I am doing a quick unboxing of a watch that I have wanted ever since I saw it released on Instagram and on the YouTube channel longislandwatch.com. That's right, I'm talking about another Islander watch. This is going to be my 5th or 6th Islander watch. And listen, guys, pound for pound, value for dollar spent, these are the best budget watches that you can purchase, in my opinion. They're definitely up there as one of the best. You should consider these watches. This is their new racing watch. And again, as soon as I saw it, it was something I knew I had to have. You saw the includes paid promotion. I did not get this watch for free. Mark and Ryan do not give out their watches for free, but I did get a nice discount on the watch for doing the review, and so that's why you saw the include paid promotion. I'll leave a link in the description, of course, where you can get this watch, and I encourage you to go and check out longislandwatch.com. Not only can you get Islander, their brand of watches, but they sell a multitude of other name brands, and Mark and Ryan have the best customer service in the industry. You just have to ask around. They have built themselves a very, very good reputation, and it's well. So on the website, they actually call this the Islander Automatic Sport Watch. I've called it the Racing Watch. I think you'll see why. I am pretty sure, although I looked it up, that they advertised it as a racing watch, but maybe Ryan or Mark, you could leave a comment below and let me know where I got that, because I was sure it was called a racing watch. But this is ISL number 135. Again, link will be left in the description below. You can see I have Super Cali out, so we'll measure it out. And you can see we have another band here. This is an FKM rubber band that I thought would look great with this watch, and so I am going to sport it on that. What am I wearing right now? This watch is coming up very soon. A full review of this one. This is the Nubeo Pioneer Bridge. This is by far and away the biggest watch that I have ever had on wrist or in my collection, and this was sent to me by Dartmouth Watch Company for review, and that review is coming up very, very soon. So please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you know when new content is released. And here is the watch, guys. This thing is just absolutely beautiful. I am so in love with this watch. Every Islander watch comes in a simple cardboard Islander box. You get a 1-year warranty. If it does come with a steel bracelet with screw pins, he also sends the screwdriver, and it comes on just a nice little pillow here. But this is the watch. As always, this is just the unboxing and unveiling, if you will. I'll do a full review of this watch in about a week's time. But you can see the unique feature on this one already, I hope, in that the day-date complication has been separated on the dial. And you can see why I called it the racing watch. It is just really, really cool looking. Obviously, it is a sporty looking watch. So let's measure this thing out so that you know what we are dealing with. Price of this one, again, I'll leave a link in the description, $199. Absolute bang for buck. You're getting a fantastic watch, and you are getting a case size of 40, let's just call it 41, 40.8. Your case thickness is 13. You do have 20 millimeter wide lugs, and the lug tip to lug tip length is 47.4. So fits really comfortably and really snug on the wrist. Let me just show you around the watch. Let's zoom in a little bit here, and let me make sure I actually wipe this off so that there's no smudges or anything on it. The case on this is really quite nice. Have a look at the case profile there. Really sharp, really nice crisp edges, nicely polished. And of course you get a signed crown on these. And have a look at this dial. Oh, this is just so cool. I am so happy to have this in the collection. Just a beauty. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me zoom back out here. It came on a really nice soft leather band. It's quite thin. It's very comfortable. It's very thin though. It's not like a thick or a very stiff rubber at all. It came super soft and supple right out of the box. You can see it's got a Seiko automatic movement in it, display case back as well. It doesn't have quick release spring bars. That would have been super nice, but I thought that it would be paired really nice, and so I'm gonna rock this. Now, like I said, the leather band is comfortable enough, but I think it'll be paired quite nicely on that blue FKM rubber. So I'm gonna pop that on and wear it on that. But let me show it to you as is on the wrist. And again, guys, stay tuned for a full review of this one, the ISL 135 Sport Automatic. I'll call it racing watch. So that review will be coming in about a week's time, so be watching out for that. And here's what it looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist on the supplied leather band. And you can see it has a nice Islander branding on the buckle as well. I absolutely love this one, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this automatic sport watch, the ISL 135 by Islander at longislandwatch.com. Would love to hear what your first impressions are of this watch in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And thank you so much for the support. I'm going to be doing an awesome giveaway at 1,500 subscribers. We're at about 1,350 right now. So your support by subscribing really helps me out a lot, and to celebrate reaching 1,500, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay tuned for the review of this one in about a week's time, and until then, have an awesome week, and God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.